You can easily switch your PrepXpert-8 system from PFAS to SVOC analysis. All you have to do is remove these external lines, so these column lines, our reagent lines, our sample lines, and our rinse lines. They're all connected in the back via these same compression fittings here, which prevent any lines from popping off. So all you do is remove these, unscrew them, screw in your new set of lines, which would be your PTFE for SVOC analysis, because as we know, we don't want to be introducing PTFE into our PFAS analysis process. And nothing to worry about on the inside of the system because it's all PEEK. And PEEK is compatible with both methods, so it prevents you from having to worry about replumbing the inside of the system. Leave a comment if you want to learn more about how the PrepXpert-8 can fit into your workflow.